The System tab lets you set your miscellaneous settings for your Tent-X controller. This is where you can set what format you like your temperature and EC format to be in and your time settings. Moreover, it's where you can override your controller if you like to test and make sure everything is connected and working properly with the controller. You can also scan the QR code to pair your smart device with the controller, or do a complete system reset if there's a need to do so. On this page, you can also calibrate the climate of the grow tent, the nutrients for your plants, and the grow medium in which the plants are in. Furthermore, you can set your deadband set points for the temperature, humidity, and CO2 levels on this page. Set your water detectors in case of leakage or water confirmation, your WD delay time, and alarm settings for your climate, nutrients, and grow medium. When the values exceed or drop below the defined maximum and minimum set point in the alarm settings, you will immediately be notified on the controller and through TrallMasters app TM Plus Pro. Lastly, the adjustable variable range for your tent's temperature and humidity can also be set here. Its purpose is to allow the exhaust fan to start operating at the maximum speed set by the user in the F1 settings when the temperature or humidity exceeds 5 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius, or 5% humidity of the user's original set points. As the temperature or humidity drops back to the climate set point, the fan will gradually resume to the minimum speed set by the user in a linear fashion. The Tent-X is intended to be used by growers who want a compact control system for their grow tents. Moreover, being able to control both the environment and the irrigation of a grow tent is a powerful feature, allowing for a wide variety of uses. Using precise technology, the Tent-X makes growing easy and cost-effective.